Intercepted by Strawtheid, intended for Thompson, but was a little bit underthrown, and Thompson banged up that last play, but he's back in there. And Madsen will give it on a draw play. Fankhauser left side, but he's wrapped up quickly. And one of the first men to get him there, I think, was Chris Nelson, number 60. No, it's...
Of course, hurt his arm last week against Scotts Bluff, playing with a special pad on that wrist this afternoon.
His right wrist and his snapping wrist. Now we've got flags down as Shadron is in motion. Sean Tracy really after the quarterback, Madsen. Somehow he gets the pass off. It is caught over there by... The penalty will go against the Cardinals, so it'll bring up a third down now and a long 8 yards to go. It'll move him back to the 20. And 3rd and 8, and Madsen rolls. He's looking to his left this time under some pressure. Now with some running room, Will Hall misses him. And finally, Chad Coulter, Nate Lohmeyer, and friends bring him down, but it'll be first down yardage on the scramble by Madsen. Boy, you look like Madsen was kind of spinning his wheels. Less than a minute to go. 1st and 10 Cardinals at the 31. Madsen to his right this time is looking. He's looking for Cogdell. Now he will scramble after a big hit there by Chad Coulter. Chad Coulter with a big
vicious hit of the year by Chad Coulter.
And
wow.
He is a guy that loves to hit. Here's the handoff left side. It is Fankhauser again. Hamer, that time, carrying the ball. Carter, it's a personal foul call against Alliance, so the ball moved across the 45 into Alliance territory. 1st and 10 right there with 19 seconds to go. And the clock will start when the Cardinals come up and take the snap. Fankhauser and Hamer behind Justin Madsen. Off balance to the left side. It looks like Madsen drops straight back, looking in some trouble. Mike Shadwinkle's on top of him. The ball's loose, and it's picked up by Shadron. But Shadwinkle just moved his man straight back. The other stat keeper is, but 2nd down and 10 yards to go now, just shy of midfield. This is more than likely the final play of the half. Madsen on a long count will just drop straight back to throw. He's going to air it out, intended over here for Johnson. It's incomplete, overthrown, and the half ends. 20-7 our score at halftime of our ball game. Alliance leads the Shadron Cardinals. Let us take a night
on it. It's no more than probably 30 degrees in the booth. Look at that van down there in the north end zone. You got to bet the heat's running, and thank goodness it's an afternoon, or I know there'd be something else in there keeping those guys warm. You guys ought to be ashamed of yourself. Yeah, wave at me.
Yeah, just go out and wave at me.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself down there, you guys. Get out here on the track like you normally watch a ball game. Show us how tough you are.
It's not warm in here. Here's the kick by Stetson. High in the air, but short. Taken by Shelmadine at the 25. Straight ahead 30. Bounces to the outside 35. Tim runs it to the 36, to the 37. Brought down by number 34, Alliance. Just across, almost to their 40 now at the 39. Very tight formation now for Alliance, and we've got movement on the Alliance.
20 miles per hour, and the shadows begin to lengthen, and Bulldog Stadium, the playing field, begins to remove itself from the sun.
Handoff straight up the middle to Jeb Adams. Jeb will bang his way to the 35. Boone Huff's possession right at their own 35. Dustin Olds brings him up, will run an option to the near side, flips it to Caprice Walker, fumbles it, picks it up, and Caprice is around the corner at midfield, spins across the 40, and is finally drugged down at the 35-yard line. Boy, Caprice Walker fumbled that pitch, and then next thing you know, he picked it up and scooted around the end and took it 28 yards.
What a beautiful 360-degree 100 or 1,300 yards.
He's probably close to 100 already. It's a 1st and 10 for the Bulldogs now in Shadron territory, and Dustin Olds is going to air it out for Chad Thompson, and just overthrows him at the 10-yard line. Back in singles.
Game is done. Those two are going to connect on a big one.
2nd and 10, straight back to throw. This time the flip over the middle, caught by Thompson, shakes a tackler. Thompson at the 20 and is drugged down at the 15, down to the 14-yard line. That time, instead of going deep, they flip it over, and it'll be 1st and 10 for the Bulldogs at the 14. Dustin Olds gives Caprice Walker, runs into his own man, bangs it maybe down to the 13 is all. Short, pretty tough right up the middle. 2nd and 9 as Dustin Olds gives to Walker. Scoots through a hole straight up the middle. Caprice slashes his way down inside the 10.
Moving to our right to the south end zone. The wind at their back and one of the few spots on the field where the sun is shining.
Thompson to the left side. Dustin Olds keeps it, flips it, intends it for Will Hall right at the goal line, but just out of his reach.
So it'll be a quarter and a half of the game left. It'll be awfully tough for Shadron to come back.
Quick pitch. Caprice Walker tries to get around the outside. Caprice is down near the 5-yard line. I don't think he made it.
Now Shadron takes the ball over at their own 5, 95 yards to go.
And in the ball game now, Justin Madsen, as he will, nope, that's Robertson at quarterback now, gives to his second man through Hamer. Nowhere to go for Matt Hamer. Hamer and Fankhauser are the running backs. Split behind Roberts. Long count as he looks over the line, rolls to his right. Option. He will flip it off. Hamer around the end. Dave Murray tracks him down and runs him down after a short gain. Boy, Dave Murray
on that play, making the stop, running the runner down on the far side of the field.
3rd down and 11 yards to go at about the 6. Roberts gives to Fankhauser that time off the right side. Sean Tracy, though, one of them here so far in this ball game. They are in punt formation, but that doesn't necessarily mean they will punt the football. Lohmeyer is the single man back deep. The snap is almost over the head of the punter, but a good kick into the wind. Lohmeyer the fair catch. Now he will just let it bounce, and it bounces right into the hands of Matt Cogdell, who downs the
poundy in the cold. I guarantee you wouldn't commit the same crime again.
Some punishment that would certainly maybe fit the crime, as on the option play, the ball is fumbled by Alliance. It's loose at the 30, at the 25. I think Jason Holly got on top of it for the Bulldogs, but let us see. As the pitch was a little bit high to Caprice that time, he fumbled it, almost fumbled it right into the arms of a Shadron player. It's Alliance football, and again, I think it to pick it up. 2nd down and about 7 now, as Dustin Olds sends Jeb Adams in motion to the near side, gives it straight up the middle. That is the number 4 back, Justin Cuppins. Thompson to the left side, Will Hall tight on the near side. And an option to the left side. They'll flip it to Caprice Walker around the corner. One man to beat. Caprice at the 10. He scampers into the end zone. Is he in there? He's out of bounds just in front of the goal line at about the 4. Caprice sends for that play because that one worked to perfection. 1st and goal at the 3 now. Dustin Olds with a long count. Power formation as we've got movement on the line.
Had to play for 3 plays and was forced to punt.
Here's 1st and goal now. Dustin Olds gives to Jeb Adams. He bangs in for the touchdown. A flag is down at the line of scrimmage. Or not. No, it's an inadvertent flag. Dustin Olds gives to Jeb Adams, who bangs straight up the middle. And Jeb is in for the 1-yard score with 5 minutes, 40 seconds.
To spring Adams free for the touchdown.
On the option, Dustin Olds keeps it, cuts it in. He's in there for the 2-point conversion. And Alliance takes a 28-7 lead now with 5:40 to go in this 3rd quarter. Evan with 5:40 to go. Mike Shadwinkle will kick the football away for the Alliance Bulldogs, and again it's Pascali, the deep man. The kick is high, end over end, and Pascali takes it at the 10, straight ahead, 15, 20, 25, hit hard again. Wow, he's wrapped up again. Jason Thielen and Chad Colder bring him down.
To the teeth of that north wind, puffing up around 15, 20 miles an hour.
We weren't really expecting that wind, but boy, it has come up quickly. Here's Hamer trying to get outside. He fumbles the football as he's hit from behind by Dave Murray. It's loose out there, and Alliance is on top of it. Tim Shelmadine on the recovery, and Dave Murray chased Matt Hamer down from behind. Hamer fumbled the football, and Shelmadine was Johnny on the spot to pick it up.
Well, he sings the national anthem. What else can he do?
Well, maybe he sold popcorn at halftime. As the handoff goes to Jeb Adams this time, straight up the middle for Jeb. Short is now back in. Thompson wide to the left side. Adams comes in motion now to the near side, and Dustin Olds on the guard around play. And who carried it that time? Might have been fumbled as the guard around play that time. We've been waiting for that, and it hasn't been successful all season long. I think Chris Nelson. It'll bring up 3rd down and 8 yards to go. as Thompson and Will Hall both wide here. Here's a quick flip to Caprice Walker. He's hitting the backfield. He fumbles the ball, picks it back up, and is spilled for a loss of 4 or 5 yards. Mike Shadwinkle is going to attempt a 44-yard field goal. Dustin Olds will hold it. Mitch Campbell the snap. Here's the kick. It is on line, but just a little bit short. So the 44-yard attempt by Mike Shadwinkle fails, and Shadwin will take over 1st and 10.
You know, the warmer air might have made a difference in the carrying of that football.
Roberts is still in at quarterback, not certain if Madsen is injured or if Coach Stein just wants to rest him for the playoffs as the hand
game. Shadron has always began their drives in their own position, their own field position. I'll get back to it.
Handoff comes to the near side. Fankhauser looking for somewhere to go, and he's stacked up. Troy Smith is on the bottom.
Football, I think I'd rather spend 30 days in jail than be hit by him.
Roberts, quick pitch. Fankhauser looking, trying to get around the corner, but again, the Alliance defense is there, and Chad Coulter shoots the gap and wraps him up. No, that's Sean Tracy, 42, not 22, who brings
in territory, only 2 on their own side of the 50.
A game of field position so far. With 1 minute 4 seconds to go in this third quarter, the snap and the kick is a high driving kick that Nate Lohmeyer will field at midfield. He's hit right away, shakes a tackle, but he can't shake the pursuit. And Nate Lohmeyer, though, into Shadron territory, brought
Harry to give us a temperature update at the start of the fourth quarter.
We may need the lights before this game is done. Dustin Olds is back to throw. He's looking. He'll flip it out. Intended for Cuppins, just through his hands at the 20-yard line and incomplete. That pass
off to the races for Justin. We saw him get a big touchdown run earlier this year.
A quick hand up to Jeb Adams, who finds a hole and bursts it up the middle. Adams is going to rumble in for the touchdown. Jeb Adams, a big hole. He's going to take it 46 yards, and Jeb Adams, his second touchdown of the afternoon, as Adams just took it straight up the middle. He was through the line of scrimmage and wants 34-7 now. Pete Shannon will try the extra point. It's up. This one is good. And with 26 seconds to go in this third quarter, Alliance takes a 35-7 lead. Ball away now for Alliance. He is number 76 on your roster, but he's wearing number 84 today. And Sherlock will kick it away with 26 seconds to go. Alliance again putting 2 touchdowns here on the board in this third quarter, have now taken a commanding 4 touchdown lead. And Sherlock will boot it away. Pascali is the deep man for the Cardinals. As Sherlock puts the foot to it, high end over end, short kick. Pascali at the 15 to the 20, outside to the 25. Nate Lohmeyer wrestles him down at the 30-yard line. And 1st and 10 now.
Down lead over a team that had a 7-1 record. Shadron was 7-1 coming into this game, losing only to Gearing.
Some of the second-team defenders are in the ball game now as Alliance
back after this break. Give us a temperature update back after this 60-second break for the KCOW Sports Boosters.
Well, Mike and Kevin, at about 8 minutes to 4 o'clock, it is a cold 19 degrees here in Alliance.
Very good. 1st and 10 for the Cardinals, as keeping it on the option is Roberts to the near side. Roberts to the 30, spilled out near the Alliance.
A young person tried to build a snowman in the stands down here earlier today, and now we see a young man take his shirt off in the stands at the end of that quarter.
I don't know.
Youth.
Here's Fankhauser around the corner. One man to beat, and around his ankles and bringing him down is Chad Haskell. As Fankhauser gets around the corner, he'll take it
up again up here.
1st and 10 in the I formation, and the handoff to the second man through Hamer to the left side. Hamer out near midfield and into Alliance territory at the 49.
We'll say back in 1991, we played Shadron when it was 19 degrees going into the fourth period, and we were just kind of kicking the tar out of them.
On the option, it's Roberts keeping it this time, runs smack straight into Tim Shalmadine, who rolls him down at the 4.
Agnes, and his dad is real active in the insurance business.
first and 10 as Roberts keeps it this time running to the left on the option, cuts it straight up and dives forward as his legs cut out from him by the 5-yard line. Second down and 6. Quick pitch near side. Fankhauser around the end. Now he cuts it up. Fankhauser to the outside at the 25 is pulled down from behind. Tim Shelmadine and Ben Bauer grabbed him for their opening drive of the ballgame. First and 10 at the Alliance 16. Roberts with a long count. Gives it off left side. Fankhauser cuts it back up inside. Fankhauser to the, that's Hamer to the a touchdown here. Maybe an onside kick. You never know what Coach Stein is going to do. Roberts on the quarterback sneak straight up the middle. Dives forward down near the goal line, but he's just short.
See a dentist over here that doesn't have his hat on today.
First and goal at the 2 for the Cardinals. Handoff. Roberts keeps the football, and Sean Tracy is in there to stack him up.
Their own 30, and they have moved it here in the fourth period all the way down to the Alliance 6.
Second and goal on the 6. Roberts, quick pitch near side. It's Fankhauser looking for running room. Puts his head down, dives forward. Is he in there? He's not. He's going to be stopped back on the scoreboard. They scored first in this ball game and have been shut out since. Roberts, long count. Now we've got movement on the line.
Top of the snowplow.
Third down and 6 yards to go. Third and goal at the 6. Roberts rolls, keeps the football, and nowhere for him to go. Stacked up after a very short gain. It'll bring up fourth down now for Shattering,
doing a great job on the goal line up to this point.
Eric Manline, number 23, is also in there now for Alliance on defense. Fourth and goal at about the 6. Throwing it into the end zone, caught for a touchdown. Wide open that time was number 83, Bryce Anderson, who made the catch, and there was nobody around him, and Roberts found him and got the ball to him. It'll go Harford, number 10. And Stetson will put the foot to it. The kick is up. It is good. And with 7:27 to go in this football game, Alliance leads Chadron 30
short of coming up with a great stop.
So as we move towards the kickoff, again, Stetson will boot it away. It is an onside kick. It's fumbled by Alliance, and yes, the Bulldogs are on top of it. I think it was Nate Lohmeyer. Alliance had their hands team in there. The football will be just across midfield at the 49-yard line of Chadron. Harris is the fullback. He's in motion, and the give is to Justin Cuppins, who spins his way through the line out to about the
varsity volleyball games over at the gym here within the hour.
Should be around maybe around 5:45 or 6 for the parents' ceremonies. Handoff Jason Thielen. Normally plays quarterback, but he's in there at tailback.